Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's tutorial, we are doing something a little different, okay? So we're gonna try to bring back a hack that was done a year ago, and I'm just now getting to it. Don't judge me, okay? So as you can read by the title, we are doing the tape brow method. Now I've never done this before ever, and I've only seen like 2 videos on YouTube, and I have never seen it on Instagram. Nobody has ever, well, not that I've seen, and I watch a lot of videos, but nobody has really ever done this particular method. So I want to see if it works. So as you can see, my eyebrows are real scrawny, okay? So you have to see in the tutorial if this actually worked for me. So if you want to see how I got these brows, then just keep on watching the video. Alright, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I have a new hairdo. I'm not quite sure how I feel about it yet, but we gonna see after I beat this face, because lately I just got it done too, like a couple days ago. I'm not really sure how I feel, but we just gonna wait and see. So it is currently 9:27 in the morning. And I have to go to a photo shoot, so I wanted to try out this little brow hack that I saw like a couple people do, but it was like a long time ago. So I'm gonna see if I can try to bring back this hack so y'all can have an easier way of doing y'all's brows. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna use tape. Now you see a lot of people use tape to like carve out this part of the eye, so it's like a sharp, nice clean eye, and that's the only place I've seen people use tape that was successful. I'm not sure about the contour, like a nose contour, but we can try that next just to see if it will give like a nice sharp, like blended out contour. I'm gonna actually try that. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna tape the under part of the brow and then the top part. And this just prevents us from having to use concealer, because, you know, we still in the phase where a lot of people have like those halo brows. And we kind of need to get rid of that. This should prevent us from using concealer. But if we need to touch up a little bit, that is a-okay. So the first place we're going to put it, we're going to start with the top of the brow. And now we're going to tape downward. And these are for people who only struggle with doing their brow. If you do not struggle with doing your brow, do not be rude in the comments. Like that. So it gives like that nice arch. So now we're going to do the under part. And kind of curve the tape a little bit. I'm just using regular like Scotch tape. This looks really crazy. So the brow pencil I'm using is by LA Colors, and this is in the shade Espresso. And I filled it in as much as possible. We're just gonna, oop. Come through, brow. Y'all see that? It's like, I haven't even put concealer on yet. And it's like a nice shape. But it's like a nice natural brow. I don't know about if you could do like glam brows with this. So, I mean, I feel like you would still have to use concealer in a way, but only to make them even. But for like, if you're a beginner, this is perfect for y'all to do. I'm going to do the rest of my face off camera, and I'm going to give y'all my full review on what I think about taping the brows. Alright everyone, so this is the finished look. I actually will approve this eyebrow hack situation going on, only because I think it's very good for beginners. If you're just starting out with makeup, eyebrows are I would say one of the most hardest things to do, because it literally still takes me like 10 minutes to get my eyebrows like how I want them. And y'all know I love a strong brow, okay? But I feel like if you're a beginner, this is great because it gives you more of a natural like brow. And then when you feel more comfortable with concealer, then you can kind of just go straight in with the concealer. But as of right now, the tape method, I feel like was really good. The only thing that was probably bad about it is you can't really, if your eyebrows aren't even already, then you won't have two even eyebrows. So in that case, I would say you would have to go in with concealer that way. But that's not bad. Like, I just feel like, you know, it was minimal concealer that I did have to go in with, except for like right under here, because obviously I was putting the eyeshadow on. But like I said, if you're a beginner starting out with eyebrows, this is the method for you. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And I look forward to seeing y'all in my next tutorial. Bye guys.